Indoor safe portable propane heater for rooms up to 95 square feet. This unit is not intended for golf cart use or for motorized vehicles. Continuous odor-free, 45-degree heating angle. Maximum elevation, Ft 7,000 feet. Automatic low oxygen shutoff system, ODS. Perfect solution for heating small enclosed spaces like tents up to 95 square feet. Simple on-off buttons. Uses 1-pound disposable propane cylinder, not included. Run time at minimum BTU and maximum BTU is 5.6 hours. Do not operate heater in any moving vehicle. This heater requires a vent area of 4 square inches minimum for adequate ventilation during operation. Low oxygen sensor and accidental tip-over switch with auto shut-off for safety. The use of UN-authorized accessories, attachments with this heater are expressly prohibited, may cause serious injury, and will void the warranty. Recommended for emergency heat, tents, campers, workshops, job sites, porches, patios, decks, garages, storage buildings, picnics, tailgate parties, construction trailers, sporting events, barns, sheds, hunting blinds, shelters and ice fishing shanties. Top reviews from the United States. Great value. This heater is a safe way to heat my rooftop tent, or any small tent for that matter. 3,800 BTUs is plenty for my use. Remember to ventilate some and it works fine at 10,200 feet elevation contrary to what the instructions say.